I'm starting making videos for where I will explain how to repair these CCC units with any problem. First of all, sorry for my English, and now I want to introduce what we need to be able to repair these units. First of all, we need a power supply. Power supply must give us 12 volts and about 2 amps. We need a monitor and we need a device for sending a wake up signal to CAN line, because if you want to turn on CCC, you must send a wake up signal. I have a lot of experience repairing CCC units. More than 100 I repaired, and I spent a lot of time to understand how it works, how it is possible to repair. First of all, I want to explain how this unit works. It is like a computer. This is a CPU, this is chipset, this is RAM, this is video card, and if take for example 100 damaged units, from 100 10% is faulty. This IC, it is a gateway. Another 10% is faulty temperature sensor. Unit think it is overheated and start restarting. And the 80% problem with this chipset chip. Need to rebuild it. But when this chip have ball problems, unit is restarting, full time restarting, and after software is damaging. We have a software problem. So to repair any damaged CCC, we need power supply, oscilloscope, monitor, SMD rework station, an old laptop with COM port and parallel LPT port, JTAG cable, and programmer. Icon for coding only we need. Let's try to turn on this unit. Sending wake up signal. And it is restarting. Now we try to understand why it is restarting. For it we need